friends want liquor, I left and came back with 4 arms like Reddit. Check up on all my exes. Big body up in Texas, all white body, but it's not a Lexus. My cup look a little reddish. Purple inside a yellow Fanta, now it's like Cameron Reddish. She told me she's not that flexible, neither's my schedule, we still gon' check it. I treat the money like messages, keeping it blue like I still ain't read it. Crosses on my glasses, fuck all the ops, we fastest, make them past tense. Bitches treat me just like Fat Farm, my name on all they asses. Nigga flex his chains, I held my hands up and made invisible glasses. I still couldn't see it. Treat a broke nigga like we playing freeze tag, cause I just couldn't be it. Treat a pussy like a janky friend who broke something, fuck it up and leave it. She wanna be 31, gotta stamp it up in ink. She like 42, I'm just like you, without the drink. Concrete diamonds, lay our chains on the ground and make a skating ring. My mans will slap a nigga at the war show like I'm Jada Pink. Okay, yeah, US in my bio, like I love my country. First I'm loading up right now, bitch, I can feel it coming. First thing off the bat, I can't love a gnat, it's just a gnat. My stepper can't be televised, he's known to twitch like Casanat. All of my ropes is gold, I'm using them bitches to tie the sack. I hit the bitch from the side, can't risk her dick, I had nails in my back. Boat in the seaport, so much walking the pop, the soda went flat.
I was running through pints in 2 days. All of my hoes go 2 ways. I've been that nigga since daddy had niggas still 2 ways. Never consent to a due date. My white bitch like my credit card, my black bitch like my blue face. I hate a bougie bitch that try to take me on a police chase. Me and my mom got matching watches, hers just got the new face. Stuffing hundreds and a piggy bank like it's a fly base. They claiming I gotta be Ken and Mace. I need to find Jesus like him, so I can sit down with him and tell him I wanna be just like him. One go-to like Tyson. White bitch look like Tyson. Stacking up chicken like Tyson. Where I've been carrying these niggas real soon, I'ma have me a bag like a bison. Late night I call up my Dyson. Squeeze it real tight like a python. 26 bitches in menstruals. Doggy white down in his day clothes. Had too much hair for a ski mask. Every rap nigga was a Benz, we know who would be in Maybach and who we consider the E-class. I don't do GFs unless they gon' give me a cheap ass. Ride with his lip on my head for so long, it done damn near gave me a heat rash. Like 26, mama told me daddy wanted abortion. Imagine the loss of the fortune. That thought of that had me scorching. I thought of my mama going 9 to 5 because of an unready boyfriend. These niggas be talking about stepping, that's something I just don't recall. Just like the thought of slim horse skin. I woke up and felt like I didn't win a shit, and I'm taking back all of the portions. I wish I had time on the head on you niggas, cause we would've brought back extortions. I know what they think about the nails, the mother these niggas is constantly forcing. Niggas is overly gangster, protecting the image they don't even know, and these niggas do not know the answer. Us.
Solid to the bone, concrete structure, they know what we on. You going back and forth with these niggas, dog, they vehicle is they only home. I keep all blues like a jazz player.